Ever wondered how websites manage their content so efficiently? Imagine the digital world as a vast, interconnected puzzle. Each piece represents a different element of online content, from blog posts and images to complex multimedia. The tool that helps to piece this puzzle together seamlessly is known as a content management system, or CMS. A CMS is essentially the backbone of any content-rich website. It's a software application that facilitates the creation, management, and modification of digital content without requiring the user to have specialized technical knowledge. This means that with a CMS, you don't need to write every line of code from scratch to publish your content. Instead, it provides a user-friendly interface where text can be edited and layouts adjusted with mere clicks. Whether it's updating a blog, changing a website layout, or adding new pages, a CMS stands behind the scenes, making all these processes smooth and efficient. Now, let's dive deeper into how a CMS actually works and why it's indispensable in today's digital landscape. At its core, a CMS is like the brain of your website. Imagine building a skyscraper. Now, if the structure of the site is the steel and glass making up its form, the CMS would be the central command center, controlling everything from the lights to the elevators. It's not just about holding content, it's about managing and delivering it effectively. Let's delve into the main components that make up a typical content management system. First, we have the Content Management Application, or CMA. This is where the magic happens for content creators and editors. The CMA is the interface that allows these users to add, modify, and remove content from a website without needing to interact directly with code. Think of it as the dashboard of a car, where everything is just a button or a knob turn away. Moving on, the second critical component is the Content Delivery Application, or CDA. This part of the CMS takes the content you've input in the CMA, stores it properly, and ensures it's displayed to your visitors exactly how you want it. When someone visits your website, the CDA works behind the scenes to compile the data and update the website in real time. It's like the stage crew of a theater production, seamlessly changing the sets between scenes without the audience noticing. The interaction between the CMA and CDA is where the real power of a CMS shines. It's a fluid relationship. As content is created and edited in the CMA, the CDA continuously updates the website. This back and forth ensures that the website remains dynamic and current, reflecting changes almost as soon as they are made. This system not only simplifies the process of web management, but also empowers individuals with little to no coding knowledge to take full control of their digital presence. With a CMS, the technical barriers are lowered, making website management accessible to a broader range of people and professions. With these tools, managing a website's content becomes a breeze. But why exactly is a CMS so crucial today? In a world where content is king, staying updated is not just an option, but a necessity. Let's delve into why a content management system, or CMS, is indispensable in today's fast-paced digital era. First off, a CMS is crucial because it allows for real-time content updates. Imagine the agility of updating your website within minutes of a new trend emerging, or correcting a product listing almost instantaneously. This responsiveness is vital for keeping content fresh and engaging. Furthermore, a CMS supports multiple users. This means that from the marketing team to the tech crew, various department members can collaborate seamlessly. They can edit, update, and publish content without stepping on each other's toes, thanks to user roles and permissions. Enhancing search engine optimization, or SEO, is another significant advantage. A CMS helps structure content in a way that is friendly to search engines, boosting visibility and driving more traffic to your site. Lastly, let's talk security. With regular updates and robust frameworks, a CMS helps protect your site from potential threats, which is crucial in maintaining the trust of your visitors. Clearly, a CMS does more than just manage content. It empowers businesses to stay dynamic and competitive. Not all heroes wear capes. Some are just open-source CMS platforms. In the realm of digital content management, open-source CMS platforms are the unsung heroes. They empower millions to build, manage, and optimize their websites without the hefty price tag of proprietary software. Today, let's delve into three stalwarts of the open-source CMS world: WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal. First up, WordPress. Launched in 2003, WordPress began as a simple blogging platform but has evolved into a powerhouse that powers over 40% of all websites on the internet. What makes WordPress a favorite among novices and seasoned developers alike? Its user-friendly interface is certainly a start. With a simple, intuitive dashboard, users can add content, install plugins, and change themes with just a few clicks. But the real strength of WordPress lies in its massive community. This community not only contributes thousands of themes and plugins but also offers extensive support through forums and tutorials. Whether you're looking to add an online store, a photo gallery, or a complex membership site, there's likely a plugin ready to go. WordPress is particularly appealing for those looking to get a site up and running quickly with minimal technical fuss. Transitioning to Joomla, which strikes a balance between ease of use and powerful features. Joomla has been around since 2005 and offers a more flexible system for managing content than WordPress. It is particularly noted for its powerful menu creation tool, which allows site administrators to create a variety of menu types without needing additional extensions. Joomla also shines with its extension system, which includes components, modules, plugins, and templates. Each plays a distinct role in building and managing a website. For example, components handle large content items like e-commerce systems, while modules control smaller content snippets such as sidebars and headers. This granular control makes Joomla an excellent choice for those who need a bit more flexibility than WordPress offers. Finally, let's talk about Drupal, the most robust of our trio. Since its inception in 2001, Drupal has been the go-to for complex, large-scale websites needing high levels of customization and scalability. Websites like those of governments and universities often choose Drupal for its advanced user management and permission settings, which allow for intricate access control setups. Drupal's architecture supports thousands of add-on modules which can extend a site's functionality dramatically. However, this power comes with complexity. Drupal requires a more significant learning curve and is best suited for developers or those willing to invest time into learning its intricacies. Each of these platforms offers distinct advantages depending on your needs. But how do you choose the right one? As we've seen, WordPress is ideal for ease of use and community support. Joomla offers greater flexibility and control, and Drupal excels in handling complex, large-scale projects requiring detailed user management. Choosing the right platform depends largely on your specific needs, your technical expertise, and the nature of your project. Choosing the right CMS is like picking the right tool for a job. It's essential to ensure that the tool you select not only fits the task at hand, but also enhances your ability to perform and deliver results. When determining which CMS to use, start by considering the nature of your project. Is it a simple blog, a dynamic news portal, or perhaps an e-commerce platform? Each type of website has distinct needs, from basic content management to complex interactive functionalities. Understanding the scope and requirements of your project will guide you in choosing a CMS that aligns with your objectives. Next, assess your technical expertise and that of your team. Some CMS platforms require more technical skills than others. Platforms like WordPress cater to beginners with user-friendly interfaces and extensive tutorials, making them ideal for those with limited coding experience. On the other hand, systems like Drupal offer advanced customization options that might require more technical knowledge but allow for greater flexibility and scalability. Budget is another critical factor. Consider both initial costs and long-term expenses. Some CMS platforms are free to use but may require additional investments in plugins, themes, or developer fees to meet specific needs. Others might come with a higher upfront cost but offer more out-of-the-box features that reduce the need for additional investments. Don't overlook the importance of community support, scalability, and security features. A robust community means a wealth of plugins, themes, and troubleshooting assistance. Scalability is crucial if you anticipate your site growing or handling more traffic in the future. Security is paramount, as a vulnerable site can be a significant risk to your business and reputation. Finally, specific features such as SEO tools, multilingual support, or e-commerce capabilities might be crucial for your project. List the features you can't do without, and make sure the CMS you choose supports them efficiently. With the right CMS, your website can not only function efficiently but also scale new heights in the digital realm. Now that we've navigated through the world of CMS, what's the key takeaway? Content management systems, or CMSs, are the linchpins in organizing, managing, and optimizing digital content. They are not just tools, they are the backbone of modern web and content development. They empower creators by simplifying the technical aspects of web management, allowing for focus on content quality and audience engagement. Today, the importance of CMSs cannot be overstated. In a rapidly digitizing world, they are essential for anyone looking to maintain an effective online presence. They streamline workflows, facilitate collaboration, and ensure that content reaches its target audience in the most impactful way. We explored several open-source CMS options, each with its unique strengths. WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal, among others, offer powerful platforms that cater to diverse needs, from simple blogs to complex corporate websites. Choosing the right CMS depends on specific requirements like customization, scalability, and ease of use. Making an informed choice can significantly enhance your digital strategy. Remember, in the digital world, efficiency is the name of the game, and a robust CMS is your gateway to mastering it.